There we go, we're live.
Like and subscribe. Welcome to Ice Break.
Thank you.
Thrill seekers, please step over the emergency bar. Once seated, please buckle your seatbelt.
Oh my God, these seats are like really difficult to get into.
Your lap harness must be in the properly closed position and close to your body.
Take the thing. Thanks.
And get ready to break the ice.
Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice. That's a little dampered right there. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, actually, it's a pretty good launch. Pretty good launch, but that's only one of four. Backwards we go. Whoa! Yeah, there's airtime on this bike. Whoa! Wow! Wow, there's actually spots where you get airtime in where you don't get airtime in the front. This is a back row ride.
Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here